Hi students, that is ninth class topic Euclid geometry mathematics. So we are taking chapter number 5 Euclid geometry. In this chapter we write down the 7 axioms and 5 postulates. So Euclid 7 axioms. We write down Euclid 7 axioms. We run first things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. And second axioms, if equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. Axioms third, if equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Fourth axioms, things which coincides with one another are equal to one another. Axioms fifth, the whole is greater than the part. Sixth axioms, things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. And last axioms, things which are half of the same things are equal to one another. So student, these 7 axioms write down very carefully, and we explain these axioms one by one. Let us take first axioms. We write down here things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. So we are taking A things A which are equal to same things. Things which are equal to same things. So we are taking A equal to B and A equal to C. So that implies B equal to C. That is the first axioms. And second axioms, if equals are added to equal, the wholes are equal. So we are taking this and this. So AB, C, we are taking 3 points. AB plus BC, we are 2 equals to, and wholes are equal, that is AC, that is axioms 2. If equals are subtracted from equal, the remainders are equal. We are taking AC minus AB, so we get BC. That is example third. Things which are coincide with one another are equal to one another. So coincides with another. We are taking also A equal to B equal to C. That is example 4. And whole is greater than the parts. In this line, AB which is less than AC and BC also less than AC. So whole means AC. AC given by the greater than the parts. Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. We are taking AB equal to BC. So also we are taking 2 AC equal to 2AB and AC equal to 2BC. That is the sixth axioms. And last axiom, things which are half of the base are equal to one another. So AB upon 2 equal to BC upon 2. So also we are taking AC upon 2, that is BC, and AC upon 2, that is AB. This is the last axiom. So students, write down these axioms carefully, and you are using in the, we are taken an exercise 5.1 and 5.2. That is my today's topics. Thanks a lot.